Imagine a Welsh beach so transformed it feels like you've been whisked away to a foreign resort. That's exactly what's happened in Rhos-on-Sea, a gem along the Welsh Riviera that's just snagged national acclaim for its jaw-dropping makeover. But here's where it gets controversial. When the plans were first unveiled, locals took to the streets in protest. Fast forward to today, and this once disputed project is now the envy of seaside towns across Britain. So, what changed? This summer, the Conwy resort was buzzing with visitors, drawn to its newly revamped beach, now ranked among the country's finest. Picture this: golden sands dotted with colourful towels, striped deckchairs, and vibrant shelters. It's a far cry from the uproar that greeted Conwy Council's £20 million transformation plans back in 2021, which were part of a larger sea defence upgrade. At the heart of the protests? New road layouts and one-way traffic systems that left many locals fuming. But as one resident put it, invest in the seafront, and the people will come. And come they did. The project, part of a broader initiative to revitalise the Bay of Colwyn waterfront, involved replenishing the beach with a staggering 1 million tonnes of sand dredged from Liverpool Bay. This not only raised the beach by 16 feet, providing a robust defence against winter storms and rising sea levels, but also transformed it into a destination worth travelling for. And this is the part most people miss: the upgrades went beyond the sand. The promenade was redesigned to encourage community engagement, featuring new shelters, public art, and interactive play areas. From picnic benches to solar-powered happy-to-chat benches, and even activity zones with exercise machines and musical instruments, there's something for everyone. Visitors have been raving about the changes. One online review gushed, "We stumbled upon this place last year on a bus ride to Llandudno, and now we can't stay away. We have a caravan in town, and being here feels like being abroad." This month, the project received a standing ovation from New Civil Engineer and the Institution of Civil Engineers, winning the UK Placemaking Project Award at the 2025 British Construction and Infrastructure (BCI) Awards. Judges praised its vision, innovation, and community-led design, calling it a thoughtful and forward-looking example of placemaking. But not everyone is singing its praises. Some locals grumble about new speed bumps, the absence of kiosks, and the loss of outdoor showers. Parking, while increased, is no longer free. A minimum £5.50 charge has residents lobbying for short-stay options. Here's the burning question: was the trade-off worth it? For many, the answer is a resounding yes. Councillor Mike Priestley, Conwy's Cabinet Member for Environment, Roads and Facilities, proudly stated, "We're absolutely delighted to receive this award, especially given the competition. It's a testament to the hard work and collaboration that went into this scheme." The project was largely funded, 85% to be exact, by the Welsh Government's Coast Risk Management Programme, with Rhos-on-Sea sharing the spotlight with only one other winner at the BCI Awards, DWR Cymru's new auxiliary spillway at Llyn Celyn near Barla, Gwynedd. This spillway, designed to manage extreme weather events, was praised for its minimal visual impact, blending seamlessly into the Eryri National Park landscape. So, what do you think? Is Rhos-on-Sea's transformation a triumph of vision over controversy, or are the lingering complaints a sign that not all is well? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take.